Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And if you are a user of the Microsoft or the Windows Spotlight feature, which puts wallpapers on your background and actually can give you information on them when you hover your mouse pointer, there's probably going to be a change. Right now, the Spotlight feature gives you big panels, a big flyout that actually takes a big chunk of the screen to give you information about what you have in the pictures. And so what happens is that some people were kind of, complaining that this could be better. And Microsoft, of course, been working on the Spotlight feature. They've decided that this big, huge flyout could actually become less intrusive and have small little cards that would show up. So this is what it looks right now, but what Microsoft sees in the future is this. Little flyouts, hover over a spot to get a small bit of text of something you want, and so on. So it's going to give you the same information, the information you want, but the over the different features will be smaller, take less screen space, and you can even minimize the flyout that is coming out if you wish. So this is going to be a new feature. I know a lot of people use the Windows Spotlight because it does have beautiful pictures from around the world, and sometimes people want to have info about what it is. You might have seen the same feature on your lock screen in Windows. So this will be actually improved, and the information given will take less space on your desktop when you hover over the information you want to know. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.